everyone, welcome back with me again. Today I am going to present about my final project about parallel processing, and my study case is comparison of Spark SQL and RDD operations on the Goodreads books dataset. Okay, my name is Samara Wardasadia and my student ID is F1D02410023, and here are my final project. Okay, based on I said before, I am comparing of Spark SQL and RDD based on Goodreads books dataset, and there's term of what I compared is about analysis results, data processing workflow, and execution time. Okay, my dataset I get from Kaggle and I save it to the GitHub, so I import my GitHub first. But you can run it directly. Okay, first is we install the PySpark, and then we load the data. We import required libraries that we want to use in this project, and then this is the data load data and preparing the data. Like we are cleaning the data from the worst data, like from 11127 I got 11123 after cleaning the data. So there's a 5 queries that I want to compare between PySpark session and RDD, such as top 10 languages, top 10 publishers, top 10 authors, top rated books, and extract publication years. Okay, first is Spark SQL analysis. First is we register Spark data frame as SQL view, such like this, and then we start the query. We save the data time of the query. It's also happened to the second query, and then this is the results of the query. It's also happened to query 3, query 4, and query 5. And then in the last of this Spark SQL queries, we show the time execution of query 1 until 5. So just like this. And then we start the RDD analysis, RDD Spark context analysis. We use map, filter, reduce by key, sort by, and collect right here. Firstly, we convert Spark data frame to RDD, such like this, and then we start the query, and we also save the time of the query. It shows in here. It is the result of the first query, and the execution time was like here. And then this is the second query, third query, fourth query, and the fifth query. And in the last of the two query PySpark N, we compare the time comparison table, such like here. This is the first query, second query, third query, fourth query, and fifth query, and this is the time of Spark SQL, and this is the RDD. We can see right here if the RDD is faster than Spark SQL. And right here is the result comparison of the table. Like for this publisher, the result number is similar like here. So, and the rangkuman was here. This is for the query 1. The result match is true, but in the query 2, query 3, and query 5, the result match is false between RDD and Spark. And the last thing is comparing the time execution. Here's the total queries evaluated is 5, and for the Spark SQL faster is 0 queries, and RDD faster go to 5 queries. So the final conclusion is RDD demonstrated better overall performance than Spark SQL for the Goodreads books dataset. So that's all for my final project. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye!